So people, you want to know more about GoHighLevel or ClickFunnels, or you want to compare them? Well, I did for you, and we're going to compare GoHighLevel or ClickFunnels in terms of core functionality, marketing automation, CRM capabilities, integration ecosystem, pricing, ease of use, and we have a clear summary for you. So if you stick with me, we're gonna start with the core functionality of GoHighLevel. And GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing automation and CRM platform designed to streamline various businesses' processes, including marketing campaigns, sales funnels, appointment scheduling, and CRM management. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for marketing agencies and small businesses to manage client relationships and marketing campaigns efficiently. ClickFunnels is primarily a sales funnel builder that helps businesses create and optimize sales funnels for lead generation, product sales, webinar registrations, and more. It provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface for building landing pages, sale pages, and upsell pages and checkout pages, making it suitable for business focused on sales funnel optimization. Very nice. Marketing automation. Well, GoHighLevel offers a robust marketing automation features, including email marketing, SMS marketing, social media management, web builder landing pages, and more. It allows users to create complex automation workflows to nurture leads, engage customers, and drive conversion across multiple channels. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is primarily focused on sales funnel automation rather than comprehensive marketing automation. While it offers basic email automation features, its primary strength lies in creating and optimizing sales funnels to maximize conversions and sales. Okay, CRM capabilities. GoHighLevel includes comprehensive CRM features to manage contracts, track integrations, and automate follow-ups. It offers tools for lead generation, pipeline management, appointment scheduling, and client communication, making it suitable for businesses that require CRM functionalities alongside marketing automation. ClickFunnels lacks built-in CRM capabilities, focusing primarily on sales funnel optimization. While it integrates with third-party CRM systems, users may not rely on external tools for comprehensive CRM functionalities, so keep that in mind. Integration ecosystem. GoHighLevel offers a growing ecosystem integration with third-party tools and services, allowing users to connect their favorite applications and extend the platform's functionality. It supports integrations with popular tools for payment processing, analytics, social media, and more. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, also provides integration with third-party tools and services, but its integration ecosystem may not be extensive as GoHighLevels. It integrates with payment gateways, email marketing platforms, webinar tools, and other essential services to enhance its functionality. Well, the pricing. GoHighLevel offers a subscription-based pricing with tiered plans based on the numbers of features and users. Pricing typically starts at a higher tier compared to ClickFunnels, but includes a broader range of functionalities. ClickFunnels offers a subscription-based pricing with tiers plans based on the numbers of funnels and pages. It may be more cost-effective for businesses primarily focused on the sales funnel optimization, especially those with simpler needs. Okay, the last term is ease of use, and we start, of course, with GoHighLevel and then ClickFunnels, and then we come to a comparison summary. GoHighLevel, while powerful, GoHighLevel can have a steeper learning curve due to its extensive feature set. However, it provides comprehensive training resources and customer support to help users navigate the platform effectively. ClickFunnels is known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive funnel builder, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. It offers templates and tutorials to assist users in creating and optimizing sales funnels quickly. Okay, summary. Both GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels offers powerful tools for marketing and sales funnels optimization. but they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. Businesses should evaluate their specific requirements, budget constraints, and ease of use preference to choose the platform that aligns the best with their goals. Okay, so this was it for GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels. Hope you can make your decision based on the information you find on the internet and maybe this review. If we helped you, please give a subscription and like this video. And we wish you a very nice day and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.